Today we go from this to this. Stranger Things cinematography tutorial. It's a scene from Stranger Things season 4. We're gonna break down the lighting setup. If you've been following me lately, that's what I've been focusing on, cinematography. I'm gonna do some acting as well as usual, so you can follow that part of the production on the other channel. Sponsor Amaran. Today we got a couple of lights. We're going to use one of them. Let's study the image a little bit before we dive into the setup. We're lucky enough in the scene to have some wide angles of the set, and we can see where the lights are coming from. If you look at Harry's face, we see two lights, main lights in particular, one from this side, one from this side. They come from the back, and actually we have two windows literally at the back of the character. There's also a bigger window on this side but in the front, and that's why it has part of the face more lit. I think there's a bit of bounce on the head as well, and that's pretty much it in terms of character. I think it's literally a 3 lights job. We're gonna turn everything off. Okay, here we go. We got 2 angles actually. We're gonna only do one, but the lighting setup is exactly the same. First of all, we have a key light. As a key light, we're actually using the first Amaran, which is a 100 watts. And we're gonna find it right here. I'm gonna turn it on, and then step by step I show you the process here. This is the Amaran Halo 100X. Small portable light, Bowen's mount. I have another brand's softbox. Unfortunately, they didn't send me one, but it's compatible. And this one, bicolor light, and that's literally our key light. 1%, 2 layers of diffusion, actually 3. I have added another one. There is a grid. And then, as always, so as you can see here, that's my 3rd layer of diffusion. It's just some paper. We got a grid and 2 extra layers underneath. We need to be careful with this one because it's bouncing on my white wall, which now I turned into black with a black sheet. Otherwise, it would have gone on the background as well, which still does a little bit. But I have no other way to block it. So I put some flags and some black foil as well to direct the light and cover this side of the light itself. That's our key light, as you can see, brightening up this part of my face like in the TV series as well. Look at that. It's literally darkness, this part, and light here. As it's a direct light, of course, I also have more highlights. As you can see in the cheek, also my skin color is different from his skin color. So we need to keep all these things in mind, but we try to match it as much as we can. Another problem we are facing here today, it's not just the lighting setup and the tiny room, but this. Mind the sticker is still on. A lot of reflection, look at this. You can see my monitor, we can see the light, so I need to be careful here. And the tiny trick is to literally tilt the glasses down a little bit, and that changes already the things. So I don't need to look up too much, because because also I'm talking to kids who are sitting down here, so I won't really go like this. And we could get away with it. I like it. So this is the light from the front, and should be a little bit from the back as well. You know, that's the 2 windows from this side of the character. My face here, it's still a bit too dark. So what I did is I have added this reflector on a white reflector. I simply put a stand next to me and hang it there, and I just do it with my hands first. So look at my face, I put it up, it really brightens up a little bit. It's not too much, there's still contrast between shadows and highlights. That's what I need, just a tiny bit of light or brightness. And literally I hang it there, place it into position and hold it. Done. Now we got this light. That's kind of the backlight here, rim light. You can see it in Harry's glasses there, and when he's facing forward, literally this part of his face is lit up. That's a 60 watts by Dewin with a spotlight. We have used this light in other videos. I love it. They are tiny. I can place it anywhere. It's literally there behind the foil. And the spotlight helps to contain the light, but also direct the light precisely as a spotlight, right? Okay, let's turn it on and then I'll show you what I have done here. So I had to use, here's my light at the back. Where are you? Look at that. Ooh, that's my spotlight over there, tiny. So I use this paper again as a diffuser. I'll show you the difference without, and I'm going into place. Okay, look how powerful and harsh it looks, which is actually, I love it because it seems like it's coming from this actual window, which is a projection. It's crazy. It needs a bit of diffusion, okay? So we place that paper on. And here we go. That's what I want. Just a bit of light, which still seems it's coming from that window, which doesn't exist. It's all artificial. Then, of course, I had to place the foil at the back because it was spilling too much in my background. And again, if I lift this up or move it, you can see here, light spilling down. So we want to close as much as we can. Forgive the noise. There you go. And still we can direct the light towards my face. Now, I thought I am missing a bit of hair light at the top, really at the top, as you can see in this image. So what I've got here is this light just above me, as I've used before many times. There you go. Placed on two stands with a long pole, kind of custom made. It goes all the way down here. It's literally above my head. Again, I've got foil, so the light doesn't spill in the background. This one is an inky light, which we have used in many tutorials. Go and check them out. We're gonna turn it on, and 1% once again. So the temperature of those two lights is 5000 Kelvin. This one, I place it at 3500. I want it a bit warmer. And what I love about this, I literally stick it to this metal bar here. Oh, look. Now, as you can see, there's some spill in the background as always. So we're gonna use foil to protect that. And here you go. We got some air light as well. And that's pretty much it about the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed as always. I have. And again, if you want to check the acting, I'll drop the link here. Let's talk about the other light here, which is the Amaran Ray 60C. This tiny portable thing, which I really like. So this one came with the handle, the soft box, which is a good addition compared to the other one. And of course the cable, and that was it. So the softbox is very small. It's probably a 30 centimeters. What I didn't like, it comes with only one diffusion, one layer of diffusion, which is okay for certain things, but that's why I couldn't use it today. For example, 30 watts. This one instead is RGB. Look how portable, great for run and gun, maybe interviews, stuff like that. Hair light, rim light. Let's go to HSI. I love RGB lights. They're so much fun. There you go. Check it out. Check Amaran. Thanks for the sponsor and the 2 lights. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. My advice would be, if you are into this cinematography filmmaking thing, is just practice as much as you can, as in any other craft. That's why I always do cinematography and acting, because that's what I want to do the most at the moment. So I try to incorporate, to integrate both together. All right. Hope you subscribe too. Don't leave me on this channel. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.